Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you're just joining me for the first time, my good name is Frida, and here people subscribe, here people share videos, here we support one another. And you know what guys, feel free. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate each one of you. Thank you so much. So guys, we are almost 2K. Yeah, so feel free to share. Let your friends subscribe for me. Yes, we are almost 2K. So guys, today I'm feeling so happy. Yani nasikia tu poa. So today I want to show you my living room house tour. So guys, welcome to my house. So guys, when you enter in my house, you are being welcomed with these nice curtains. They are flowing from at the top. So after you enter, welcome to my house. So guys, these seats, okay, I had the brown seats, but you know what, I did not like them so much. I've stayed with the former seats like for long, but now I said no, let me change. It's now time for change. You know, changing is good, eh? So I changed my seats. This is the two-seater, and those are my throw blankets. When you sit and the weather is bad or in the house, you can cover yourself with them. Yes, this is a three-seater. Those draw pillows, I got them from Kamkunji. I got five. I got 5. They were costing 1,000 plus the draw nini. These covers, they were costing 250 each. Yes, these ones. These covers 250 each. So I got 5 of them. Those are the 2 and the 2. And also we have one. So guys, this is my living room. Here's my sitting room. No, I can't remember the name, but there is a girl Instagram. She posts for us your sitting room, and now when I remember, I'll tag. So welcome to my sitting room, guys. These seats are so comfortable. This one, yeah. So I did not buy the ready-made. Okay, I got a fundi, showed them whatever I wanted, and then they made it. And it is so good, eh? They're looking so nice, so good. And then we have these two coves. These ones, they are 3. I think these ones, they were for discount. They were discount. So this is the 3-seater, and we have the 2-seater, and we have one-seater. So, and also we have, I think I showed you my stand. This stand, I think we have a video for my stand, so you can check my videos out. Yes, we have this video. I think I had the previous stand. I also showed you guys from one of my videos. You can check it out. Yes, and we also have that stand. That is our watch over there. This is my want this the okay, this is the machine that I uses to edit my videos. That one is my mouse. I got this mouse from China Square. By the way, it is big, eh? It is big, you see? It is very big and very nice. So this is how my sitting room looks like. Yes, this is how my sitting room looks like. I don't know whether you are seeing well, but for me, I'm seeing everything. That is the dining area there and the sitting room. Yes, it is a 7-seater plus a 6-seater for the dining. So guys, tell me what do you think on the comment section. Feel free to comment, feel free to like, feel free to subscribe. Yes. So I know there are people who will be wondering, what is this? This is the throw blanket for the seats. Like for example, the weather right now, it is bad. The weather is not good. So when you enter in the house, you can cover up. Yeah, there is a cover up on the seat. We have also these two. These are the throw blankets for my seats. So guys, feel free to comment. Tell me what do you think on the comment section. Feel free to like, to subscribe, to share with your friends. Yes, I think that is it. I don't have much to say. So guys, yeah, I think so far you are doing good. So on this side, I wanted to put something there because it is so blank, it is so plain. Yes, on this side, you know, like the other side, it has something on the wall. The other side on the dining, it has something. And also on this side, I want to put something so that it is not that plain. Yes. So guys, I think I'm done. Tell me what you think on the comment section. Yeah, and also for the carpet, I think I'll be changing it very soon because this is one thing that it is remaining. Plus for the dining table there down, I also need a carpet, but I know I will get one soon. I'll get one soon. I have to change this carpet, and also yeah, here we need a carpet for the dining. This is my dispenser. This is where I put my dispenser. I think it can be, but I will look at it. I'll check where I will be putting it. But for now, let it stay there. So guys, tell me what do you think about the video. Yes, tell me on the comment section. Niambieni hapo chini naona aje. How do you think about the video? Comment, feel free to comment. Feel free to ask me where you got them from. Yes, like for my seats, I've already said it is I did not buy the ready-made. I give the fundi the instruction, and then the food made it for me the way I wanted my seats to be. So I did not buy the ready-made. Yes. So feel free to comment and feel free to ask questions. Maybe you want to ask, where did you get your pillowcase? Where did you get the seats? Feel free to ask. I told you that this seating, when you are seated, also, let me show you. So this one, it's for when you are seated and the weather is not good, you can cover up yourself like this, and then you are good to go. Like nowadays the weather is not good, so you can cover up yourself like this. So these one are called throw blankets. I got them from Gikomba. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'll see you on the next video, and bye bye.